Brett, how you doing?
Thanks for coming in. I appreciate the time, man.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me in here.
Yeah, of course. So, Peter, I know you're a little bit short on time, but I just wanted to show you this product again. I know we briefly touched on it and its capabilities and things like that.
This is the lifestyle I'm looking at?
This is the lifestyle product that we're looking at. So I know that you said you work in some energy efficiency work, also do some work, in apartment buildings. I've done a bunch of projects. We're working by the L train, things like that. I know noise and energy efficiency can sort of play into your market.
Absolutely. So we need to be like LEED certified and have all that, energy efficiency write-offs on our projects.
I gotcha. All right, so that's perfect. So with this product line, we're now offering different attributes and not customization, but we can cater it around what you need and what you need to get out of the product for specific areas. So like the E-designated zones in Brooklyn, so I'm sure you're used to that.
Oh,
that's like industrial areas that are being converted over into residential areas.
Yep. Oh, yeah.
So you need to hit U-factor performances, solar heat gate performances, and sometimes like STC and OITC.
Yeah, absolutely.
So with this product line, same exact thing. With the triple pane unit, we have the blinds between the glass. We also are now offering different low E coatings that you can put onto the glass.
Awesome.
So there's a couple different options depending where you are in like the country and your sun exposure. We can put different like advanced comfort low E or sun defense, but the moral of the story is that you can get that U factor down to about a 0.22. And then what's beneficial about this product, also about having the blinds, is that with that third hinge panel, you can actually change up the millimeters of that glass.
Oh, so this hinges out? This is an opening panel?
Yeah, so you see these two little small holes?
Barely.
Yeah, exactly. So all you would need to do is basically put like a paper clip inside, you pop that panel out. You won't have to open it for any reason unless you wanted to either add grills to the window or add a different color blind or room darkening shade. So it's like that's not part of the overall maintenance of the window is opening it. It's just for further options.
Keeps my customers happy.
Exactly. And if they want to change something, the new owners 10 years down the line, they can do that with this product.
Yeah, let the designers work with everyone that keeps everybody happy.
Exactly.
That's
But also the benefit of having that third panel, as I'm sure you know, with like an increase in millimeter of the glass, you block out more sound. So like I compare it to sifting for gold with screens. If you use 3 screens that all have the same holes, you're not going to catch, smaller, right, exactly. So if you use different size screens, you can filter out and get all the different size gold. So what we do is we change up the thickness of the glass, blocking out different levels of frequency of sound. So I'm sure you heard of STC.
Of course, yeah.
OITC, outdoor-indoor sound transmission.
Yep.
That's the most important factor to focus on when talking about windows. So we can get the OITC to about 31.
On an entry-level window here?
With this package, yeah.
Good.
So we've used it in schools, we use it in commercial applications, residential. If you just so happen to live near the E or the L train, it would help that you block out more sound. It's more beneficial to the clients. It builds value in the home, and it's easier to flip. Because like in Brooklyn, they're rerouting planes. It can be noisy in certain areas, so this would definitely solve your problem.
Looks good too.
Yeah, so like we discussed, aluminum cladding on the exterior, wood finish on the interior, all those bells and whistles that you can get. But now, instead of going into a higher level product line, whatever, our lifestyle system can accommodate all your needs. So I hope on the next project that you get, we can price it out and just let me know what you're looking to hit, and I'll just incorporate that into the window package.
We're starting to work on a development right near a highway, so this will fit in perfect. I'll send you the plans a little bit later today.
Awesome.
You price me out with all the the sound package that you just told me about, and we'll go from there.
Yeah, awesome. I also can show the architect and do a little demo for him. This way they're more comfortable, and if the client wants to see it, we could do that as well.
Absolutely, yeah, sounds great.
Thank you. I appreciate you coming in.
For sure, thank you.